All right, so this is the junior suite. All right, you have your, this is like kind of like your closet. All right, you have a little desk here with some drawers, bed, kind of like a couch, TV. You have this little mini bar that they, stock, refill every single day. They gave you some chips and some snacks. The suites, as far as I can tell, all of them have these little beds, which are really nice. After a day at the pool, you kind of can take a nap between, being at the pool and going out to dinner. This is the view that you have, right? We got the ocean view. If you're thinking about upgrading to the junior suite, basically what I would say is you're gonna get the same amenities, meaning kind of like all this stuff's gonna be the same. It's just the normal room is smaller. This is the bathroom, all normal stuff. But the one thing I would say with the suite, obviously it's a little bit bigger, but it comes with a better balcony. I think that's basically the difference between the two. You can see this one where we're located. We have this pool down here. This is like, these people down here have access to the pool. We don't. And the pool is right around the corner here. All right. So pretty nice. We have seen the other rooms, the normal room. It's, I would say, a lot of the same. It's just the same thing, just smaller.